To create a KuCoin API, you will need to follow these steps. First, you need to create a KuCoin account if you do not already have one. Go to the KuCoin website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill in the required information to create your account. After creating your account, you need to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done by going to the account settings and following the instructions to set up two-factor authentication. Next, you need to create an API key. To do this, go to the API management page and click on the Create API button. You will be asked to enter a name for your API and set the permissions for the API. The permissions you choose will depend on what you want to use the API for, such as trading, withdrawals, or just viewing your account information. After setting the permissions, you will be given an API key, an API secret, and a passphrase. You need to save these securely as you will need them to use the API. It is also a good idea to create a new API key for each application you are using the API for, so you can easily revoke access if needed. To use the API, you will need to send a request to the KuCoin API endpoint with your API key, API secret, and passphrase included in the request. The type of request you send will depend on what you are trying to do, such as placing an order or getting your account balance. It is also important to keep in mind some best practices when using the KuCoin API. You should never share your API key or secret with anyone. And you should use a secure connection when sending requests to the API. You should also make sure to handle any errors that occur when using the API, such as if the API is down or if you have reached your request limit. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a KuCoin API and start using it to automate your trading and other tasks on the KuCoin platform.